Guy installs Windows 11 on a Nintendo Switch because why not? In another case of just because you can doesn't mean you should, on Sunday, user Patrick posted on X the photo above showing Windows 11 running on the Nintendo Switch console. This was later accompanied by a video of the operating system running, as well as a few other bits of information about the install. This generally took like 3 hours in total to get to install. The version of Windows 11 installed is the ARM version with KVM enabled. And given the Switch hardware, it should come as no surprise that it isn't exactly quick as far as ARM machines go. All models of the Nintendo Switch ran off a custom NVIDIA Tegra processor based on the Tegra X1, which dates all the way back to 2015. Okay. It's not just Windows 11 that has been set up and run on this particular console, with versions of Linux and Steam having been seen and set up on the console with VM installs as well. When attempting to run Peggle on the console, the performance clearly struggles and slows to a crawl. Given the age of the hardware, it is surprising that Windows 11 managed to run at all, which is testament to how optimized these ARM builds of operating system are.